Winter. Good boy. Good big boy. Yes. You're a good big boy, huh?
He wants his hugs.
You getting hugs? Yeah. You're getting hugs. What are you doing, Missy?
It's just a normal rainy day for them.
Right? Not a lot to do, huh?
She doesn't like to go back there.
No.
She's a girl.
And she doesn't like to step on the rocks. Because we put those there because when it rains, it gets puddles of water. And little Miss Prissy Pants does not like to go on it. So. Windsor, though, he don't care. He does not care.
Come on, Cleva.
Guess we're going to go to the back. Go. Go.
Oh, oh.
No, it's playtime. Here we go. We're going to get dirty. Oh, Windsor's getting her today. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Windsor is not taking any crap from her today. Right. Way to go, buddy. Woohoo! Good puppies.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. See, he has a big tennis ball, but they want to... Oh, Dad says we need to throw that over the... Put that up because Kalua's chewing it. And that could not be good if she swallows it. So we got to take it out.
No, Windsor.
No. No. Yep. Sorry. I can't. I don't need one of you getting that stuck in your digestive system or anything.
Okay.
All right, come on. You want to go back in the house? Should we go back in the house? See, there's that ball. But you don't like that ball.
Wait. Stand up to the side. I'm gonna hurt my toes.
Kick. Ooh. Get it going, Kalua.
He picks it up. Look at him.
He entertains himself.
Uh-oh.
Up. In the house. Go. Come on. Let's go.
He's too focused on his ball.
See? She goes to the side. She does not like these. Come on, Windsor. In the house. Come on. Come on, Windsor. Good boy. Let's go. Or not.
Kalua.
Sometimes she's mean. Doesn't want him up here. All right, in the house.